How to disable Microsoft Store in Windows. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial, so you can head over and follow out the steps or methods in order to do so. So, one the thing we can do is we can disable using the group policy, which is the best method. It works on Windows Pro, Enterprise, or Education. So you can press Windows plus R for that, and just go over and type in gpedit.msc and hit enter. After that, from the section, what we can do is basically go over and look out for computer configuration. And under there, look out for administrative templates. Go to Windows Components. And under Windows Components, go to Store. Look out for Store option here. You can scroll down, find Store. There we go. Now, once you find Store, what we can do is we can just go over and turn off the Store application, this one option. You can just go over and double click on it. Once you double click on it, it will open up this section. You can just select the option for enabled. This one right here, click on apply and click on OK and confirm it up. And you can restart your computer and now the Microsoft Store will be blocked. Apart from that, you can disable using registry works in home version. So press Windows plus R, type in services.msc or type in budgeted and hit enter. Give that access. Once you find a registry editor, you can head over, look out for HKey local machine, this one right here, expand it up, and within there look out for software, expand software. Within software, go to policies, go to the policy section, expand it up, and within policies look out for Microsoft Windows, and go to Windows Store. Find Windows or Windows Store. Once you find it out, what we can do is we can just go over and create a DWORD 32-bit value if you have Windows Store. Right click on it, select the option for new and create the option for DWORD 32-bit value. And then just go and type in remove Windows Store. So type in remove and type in Windows and Store the way I have typed it. After that, you can just go over, hit enter and double click on it and set the value data to 1 and click on OK and confirm it. You can just go over and confirm it up and save up the changes. You can restart your Windows once it is done. You can install Microsoft Store using PowerShell as well. So what we can do is we can just go over, open up Windows PowerShell, type in Windows PowerShell, this one right here, right click on it, select the option for run as administrator. Click on yes, and then just go over and type in this. Just go over and type in this command right here. Once you do so, it should start the process of installing the Windows Store completely from your Windows. And that's it. Those are probably some of the steps you can follow up and remove Windows Store, Microsoft Store from your desktop or your Windows. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.